Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Chris, and I'm your dad next door. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at how to possibly save your stream from dropping frames on the live end in either OBS or Streamlabs OBS. Before we get started, I just want to say that if I didn't answer the specific thing you were looking for in this video, it doesn't mean that it's not there or that we haven't looked at it before. I do stream on Twitch, and you can come and ask me any questions you want live there. Due to my fatherly activities, my schedule is not perfectly set in stone, but I do post regular schedule updates on my Discord and Twitter feeds. Links to all profiles can be found in the description of this video. Now, the first thing I want to say is that this feature is still considered in an experimental phase, and it is not a foolproof option. It is claimed to increase latency between you and the viewers, but in turn, it does save you from dropping frames to those viewers. So I'm currently testing this on OBS version 24.0.3, and I will look up the Streamlabs version when I provide that version, but we're going to go ahead and go in here, and I'm going to show you the desktop and show you how to enable this and what exactly it's doing. So I will say that this feature is very, very easy to enable. What you need to do is you need to go up to your file, settings. Under advanced settings, you go down to network, and then you have this checkbox here. Since I'm currently recording, it's not going to work, but you have dynamically changed bitrate to manage congestion. We'll see if we can get that help window to come up there. And you can see right in here, it says, instead of dropping frames to reduce congestion, dynamically changes the bitrate on the fly. So basically, if you're streaming 1080p at 6K and you end up with a big congestion in your own network, and what it does is it will dynamically drop your bitrate down to 2500, 3000, whatever's available to you, and then it will slowly bring that back up to the 6K mark as that bandwidth becomes available again. And it kind of keeps it from your stream just kind of freezing for those 5 seconds or something that would normally happen, and then allows it to keep playing without actually dropping those frames. Now you will see the stream get kind of grainy or something along those lines is what the viewer would notice, but at that same sense, they're not ending up with a laggy or jittery stream. As a caveat, before we get too far into this, I want to say that this is not an end-all solution to improving streaming quality. If you are still missing frames due to rendering or encoding lag, those are still going to show up on your output. This is only to solve the issue of dropping frames due to network issues. So just take that in consideration when you're trying to apply this solution, and understand that it is not an end-all to fix any issues that you have with your streaming or frames being dropped while you're streaming or anything like that. Now, as promised, here is the same attempt to create the solution using Streamlabs OBS. And again, we're using version 0.20.2. So we're going to do the same thing, go into settings. We are going to go over to advanced, and it looks like it's going to be exactly the same. We're just going to scroll down to network, and we have these same features here as well. So you have just this dynamically changed bitrate when dropping frames while streaming. So they kind of worded a little differently in Streamlabs, but that's exactly what it is doing. Change bitrate when frames seem to be dropping. So I hope this quick little tech tip was something that could be a solution that could help you improve your stream and help you provide a better experience for your viewers. I actually, as you could see when I provided the version of OBS, that is a solution that I use because I know that my service can be spotty at times, and I very regularly drop below the 5K marker that I keep my stream set at. So it just keeps it as a nice steady setup for my viewers to be able to experience something without feeling like it's being cut in and out all the time. As always, if you have any questions, comments, feedback, or anything for me that you'd like to add to this video or get back from me that I didn't provide a solution for, if you have any additional questions or any other videos that you'd like me to create, please feel free to leave them in the comments down below, and I will try to get to them in the future. Other than that, again, you can check me out on my Twitter, Twitch, in the description of the video as well. And that's all from me today. I hope this little tech quickie helped you out and makes you be able to stream a little bit better. My name is Chris, and I'm your dad next door, signing out.